Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. Let's talk about the GMT. As you know, GMT is in the trend and I have been making quite videos on the GMT recently, and it's a demand from many people because it has been in the trend. And today, if we just refresh this page, it says that the volume again, it went up to 2.6 billion, which is up to 85%. So a good volume. So people are trying to buy this token, or in fact you can say buying and selling more volume. The volume doesn't mean that it's buying volume or selling. It means it is increasing in increase in volume means buying and selling, more buying, more selling. Okay, it can be bearish, it can be bullish. So we're gonna see how it is affecting by the help of with the help of candlesticks. Okay, so here is the chart, 4-hour chart. Okay, let's dive deeply, try to understand what is happening in here. And first of all, these two lines are the 55 and I think so, let me just clear that one, 21. So short-term price is the red one. Okay, so short term the price has broken this level, okay, that 21 EMA. So short term it is bearish, long term it is still bullish. Okay, so because higher the time frame, higher the EMA, it means that if the candlestick is above the EMA, higher EMA, it means it is still in the uptrend. So the uptrend has still intact, but right now as it has broken the 21 EMA, so chances are that now the price is gonna dump. But here it will be decided at this point. As you can see, we have this EMA, we have this support line. Okay, and we also have this area, the region of 2.14 to 2.3. so what I can expect, the price has now entered into a very congested area and very narrow area. Okay, you can see narrow area from where the price can either break out on the downside towards the 1.87 or it can go on the upside. You can say when we had the all-time high, it came down for bottom, and then it went up, got double rejection, which I told you previously, and since then we have been in the downtrend, just a classic pullback. Then it went up again. I told you guys it's gonna try to retain, maybe it's gonna try it one more, but with a low volume. Just take a look at the volume here with the help of volume, second attempt. Okay, let me just bring this chart down. Take a look at here. When the price was in the uptrend, the volume was also high, but when the price came down, the volume started to low. Okay, and then we had another retest with a very low volume here. Okay, then price came down into a distribution zone here. Then recently the price and the volume has started to accumulate and it break out as recently. Okay, but again guys, this candle which has been rejected from here, it is making a double top here. We have this one and this one 2. Okay, so double top. After the double top usually we see a drop, and which is we are currently looking at. Okay, and if we just talk about the current candle, only the current candle of the 4-hour chart here, you see we have this was the level, got rejected, done, fine. Okay, this was the level, got rejected, came down. This was the level, got rejected, now it is going down. Okay, and these dotted lines are the Fibonacci levels. You can see how these levels has been respected here, very important level. So, and you can see the price came down, then it can just take a look at the pattern. Price came, this candle came down, closed. Okay, then next candle retested, got rejected, then another candle here tested the support level, got huge supply, huge demand was broken. Okay, sorry, not broken, what you can say, it was absorbed by the buyers. Okay, and next candle closed here. The next candle it tried to went up, but again got rejected from another level. Now it's going down, so the chances are we are going to see 2.14 level very soon. Okay, and from there it will be decided whether it wants to go up or down. Either sorry, not either, but this one. If we just take a look at this trend line, okay, we had multiple rejections here, and after the breakout we have a classic retest here. So this is the point of confluence where we have two areas testing. Okay, two areas testing around this area. Now the main thing, we might gonna see some accumulation here, and after that a pump. But more chances that after remaining in the trend for a couple of days we might gonna see the price going down, because we have, this is the breakout candle and there is a gap. You can clearly see no candle came down to just fill up the gap in here. So this is my theory and I believe in my technical analysis. So 1.87 is surely gonna come if we break the level of 2.14, closing below 2.14 level, and then we might gonna see the 1.87 in the days to come, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow or whatever. Okay, and then from there we might gonna see some accumulation. So you might be wondering, I am just not sure where the price wants to go. So possible, I give you the possible scenarios. Okay, so the scenario number one is the volume is good, because that's good thing, because one thing is sure, we have got rejection from this level. It is above 55 EMA. We got a good demand absorbed. Okay, these two signs are good. Okay, these two signs are good for the bullish trend. Okay, so I'm gonna give the numbers game right now. Two signs are going good for the bullish, but three, let's talk about the bearish sign. Is that the level has been broken, the support level has been broken, the candle is very small in size, not much of the volume going on right now. Okay, the closing of candle will depend. Okay, so the 1 point is bearish, 2 points are bullish. So it depends again. If we see another level testing around 2.14, and if it stays above 2.14, then forming accumulation zone, then you can place your buy orders. So you can still place your buy orders around here if you want to. You can place your buying areas around here, but if it further break down below, then 1.87 can be expected following this trend line. But again guys, one more thing, if we break below 55 EMA, surely any candle closing below is gonna retest back to the level. Always make sure the level, which the huge, the larger time frame level, whatever it is, okay, if it gets broken, it has to get retested. So I'm more of the right, you can see this candle is more of the bearish. Okay, bearish reason is we have long wick on the upside, shorter wick on the downside. But before that, this candle is showing us that sellers were good, they were high in demand in here, but buyers were trying to buy around this area. So guys, we have to wait. So 2.14 from my side, 2.14 would be the first level of support, 1.87 would be the second level of support. If we consolidate above this level, just like we did in the past, then we can have another level. But this pattern doesn't seem to be the bullish pattern. It is more in the ranging or in the accumulation pattern. So as it has been in the trend, so the trend vanishes after some time. Okay, so the volume might gonna shift to another coin. Maybe we're gonna see some more coins, the volume is gonna shift. So that's my opinion on the GMT guys. So thanks for watching guys. Over and out.